Some payment gateway integration partners can seem very much like a one-way street. You do an integration to the gateway, announce the availability, and you are on to the next development challenge on the whiteboard. The payment gateway is basically a conduit to move secure data, a tool only. There are multiple issues with that scenario. First, you are handling your hard-won client off to another partner and assuming all will go well. Second, customer acquisition costs are massive. If you are bringing business partners to the gateway provider, are you being compensated via a recurring revenue share based on transactions processed? The SaaS payment gateway partner is being provided a new client with no acquisition cost. This payment gateway strategy can have long and far-reaching effects on almost every part of your business. By using the suggestions above, you can save time and money, as well as generating new revenue streams for your business. Most importantly, you deliver more value for your end users. The right partner offers your application users more than just a payment connection, credit card decline mitigation, ACH options, AutoPay adoption plans, and more. So if your partner is a one-way street, take a look at options that can help both your business and your application users. For more information, visit agilepayments.com. Contact Agile Payments, where strategic payment partnerships are formed.